Hi, this is Drew at Headset Advisor, and today I'm going to show you guys once and for all how to get rid of the echo on your Plantronics CS540, or known as the CO54. So let's dive right into it. Alright, we have the Plantronics CS540 here, as you see, and I mentioned in the beginning, this headset is also known as the CO54. It's marketed as the CS540, but on the bottom of the charging base, it's going to say CO54. I don't know why the manufacturer labels it as that, but there has to be some important reason why they do. Now, if you're experiencing echo, this video is going to help you fix that. If this video doesn't help you fix that, reach out to us here at Headset Advisor, and we will certainly do our best to help you out, whether you ordered headsets from us or not. Also, by the end of this video, if it was helpful, please hit the subscribe and like button, and we'd greatly appreciate it. All right, so here's the CS540. If you're experiencing echo, it's because a few things. Either the compatibility switch is off, the volumes are too high between the charging base, headset, and telephone, or there may be a defect in the product, unfortunately. So the first thing you want to do is turn the charging base upside down like so. You're going to have a few controls. You're going to see this A through G switch. If you have this on B or say G, for example, in a lot of cases, the headset is going to give you a giant echo or not work properly. So you want to make sure this is on setting A in about 99% of cases. In other cases, you want to be on setting D as in Delta if you're connecting to a Cisco phone through the headset port, for example. So number one, make sure we're on letter A. Number two, you have a, we have a speaker and a microphone switch. It's kind of hard to see, but if you get out some good light and a magnifying glass, you'll see there's some numbers on there. You want to make sure both are on setting number 2. If these are on the max volume, then most likely you're going to have a giant echo. Thirdly, we want to make sure to go to our desk phone itself. And let me move this in the camera shot. You want to go to your phone. This is a Polycom phone, but all phones should have a volume control. On here, let's see, it's right here. We have our plus and minus button. You want to make sure to turn your desk phone volume down to about 50%. Lastly, you want to adjust the volume on your headset itself, maybe down a couple clicks. So this is your volume control up and down. And keep in mind, when you wear the headset on your left ear, the volume controls are opposite. So if you rotate the volume down, that means your hearing volume is going to go up. So really, you're playing a game of musical chairs, basically. So what you'd start by doing is turning your desk phone volume down to maybe 50%, going to the bottom of the charging base and making sure all those settings are on the standard, which is A, 2, and 2 for microphone and speaker. As long as all of that is done, if the echo's not gone, maybe try turning the desk phone volume down to say 30% and see if that helps. If it doesn't, bring it back up to about 50%. And then on the bottom of the charging base, you'll want to adjust your microphone and speaker. Maybe put the microphone on number 1, leave the speaker at number 2, and then see if that helps. So really, you're trying to do a nice balance of volumes between the desk phone, headset, and charging base. Once you find the spot that's best for your phone, then you'll know you'll be able to adjust your volume on your headset, and you'll want to usually leave the controls where they're at on the charging base. It's always good to do a test call as well with maybe someone internally or someone you may know before you get on your important business calls, just to make sure that you sound crystal clear and loud enough. If you don't have someone to call, you can always call us here at Headset Advisor, and you'll have our contact information in the description of this video. That's really it on how you fix echo on the Plantronics CS540. As I mentioned, reach out to us here at Headset Advisor if this doesn't help the echo go away, or you can leave a comment and we'll respond with some further troubleshooting steps, and maybe we can determine the fix or that you may have a defective headset. Thanks for watching us here at Headset Advisor, and we'll see you next time.